Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So 2 days ago, Melody gave us this song. I'm pretty late, like 2 days ago late, but it's never too late for a shower of rain. So I'll be reacting to ESA DIVA by Melody. Bro, I love her voice so much. So I wanna be propelled by her beautifulness. So with this being said, let's see what's up. Peace. All right, all right. The queen, the queen of Spain, bro. The queen. Oh my fuck. Oh, ah, bro. I am thrilled already. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, what a voice. What a terrific voice. Oh my goodness, what flourishing voice. Oh wow. 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 Oh! Oh my god! Oh, this is neat! This is neat! The video is freaking terrific, bro! Our voice is freaking terrific! Ah! Oh my gosh, bro. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me take time to process this because I can't process such beautiful voice, bro. Damn, bro, my goodness, dog. No way. Bah! 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 Oh! Yo! 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 Damn! I ain't gonna lie. This is freaking superb! This is superb, bro! Yo! The dance are so smooth, man! The movement are so nerve-wracking! I gotta say, gorgeous! Just gorgeous, bro! I don't even believe that there's such a beautiful song that is coming from Spain, man. Hey, Spaniards, big up your dance self, bro. You guys are doing excellent. Freaking length. Oh gosh, bro. Oh gosh, man. Oh! No! No! Bro! Bro! Her vocals are fucking good! Oh my freaking days, bro! Hey! Hey! I never seen such unbelievable thing since the cow jump over the moon, bro. Her voice is unbelievable. The cow jumps over a darn moon, and that is so oddly unbelievable, but fuck, her voice is good. Mm. Dog, I can feel it. I can feel the sensational impact coming from her darn voice, dog. Bro, come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Wow. Outstanding. Outstanding. The dance is perfect. The video is perfect. The timing of the video is perfect. Her movement is perfect, bro. It's a complete package. Everything is outlandishly amazing. She nailed this, bro. She nailed this. She freaking nailed this. Dog. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is one of the best videos I've seen in this entire competition, bro. The best. Bro. Spain, you guys, 12 points. 12 freaking down points. I have nothing more to say. Thanks for watching, bro. Stay tuned for more, bro.